it on the bootleg fake. Unloads to the
That's a touchdown, baby.
And the catch and run into the end zone.
Defender there. Nice break on the football, but secure that big fella and get the 6. Get the pick 6.
All kinds of room to throw that one in
Good
there.
throw.
And he almost comes to field goal unit.
The run fake forced and sucked the defense up, and a nice job on the route by the receiver, not telegraphing that he was breaking to the inside on the slant.
They'll run the option.
Oh, give me the ball. Oh, scoop and score. Oh, you got to break the tackle. Oh, get there. Let's go.
Time dwindling away as they try to put points on the board right before the half.
Oh, the offense just not able to come up with that. You knew that was going to be a bang-bang play.
Let's go. There it is.
Snares it in the end zone. It's going to be key. Possessions really need to cash in on this drive. On 3rd and short, they'll try to pick it up with.
Oh yeah, it's second pick.
Intercepted. He'll try to take it back. And the Hoosiers want to move quickly. Off play action. Fires left. The negative play leaves them with 2nd and 12. Back to throw. It's Rourke. Looking to the big tight end. Finds a man on the right.
I love my tight end, man. This dude is good, so good.
And the punishment to the line. They keep attacking through the air. He caught it.
Thank you.
They're up by 18 over the Astronauts. Any big developments in this one, we've got you covered with the best studio team in the business, gentlemen.
And how about that one? Kevin will be keeping an eye on everything.
Oh, yeah, give me that.
He threw it right into the double coverage.
Give me that.
As a defense, stop us, because we're not stopping ourselves. We're going to continue being aggressive. We're going to continue trying to score points. That's the aggressive nature of this football.
All right.
And while this game is all but decided, the offense's job is to score. They might try to score again. Touchdown, Indiana!
60. That's all I wanted was 60. End zone?
Short of the end zone, but they're in business here with a first down.
I don't know if they're trying to get this guy Heisman consideration, but the fact that they're still throwing the ball at this point in the game with the lead like they have,
it works.
surprising.
Let's get it.
Touchdown!